We always talk about the interest rates on our bank loans. We obsess over the percentages on our credit cards. But there is a much more dangerous interest rate that no one ever mentions. It is the interest rate of the soul. Financial worry is not a passive state of mind. It is an active, aggressive parasite. It is a debt that you pay every single second of every single day. Not in dollars, but in heartbeats. Not in currency, but in the cells of your body and the years of your life. You think you're just stressed about bills. You're wrong. You are being consumed from the inside out. You are trading your limited time on this earth for the privilege of being terrified. And the worst part? You've started to believe that this constant vibrating anxiety is just the price of living. But look at the people around you. Look at the people you love. They are the ones actually paying the bill for your silence. Today, we look at the hidden cost of the worry you refuse to face. Meet Maria and Ben. 10 years ago, they were the couple everyone envied. They had a language of their own, inside jokes, shared dreams, and a warmth that filled every room they entered. They didn't have much, but they had enough. But then, the enough started to feel like not enough. A little more debt for a better car, a little more pressure for a bigger house, a few more late nights at the office to get ahead. Slowly, the air in their home began to change. Watch them now at the dinner table. They aren't talking about their dreams anymore. They aren't even talking about their day. They are navigating a minefield. Ben sees the stack of envelopes on the counter and feels a sharp, hot spike of cortisol in his chest. Maria sees Ben's exhaustion, and instead of feeling sympathy, she feels a cold, creeping resentment. The cost isn't just the $400 they're short this month. The cost is the touch they no longer share. It's the laughter that has been replaced by a heavy, brittle silence. They are two people who love each other, but they are too busy drowning to reach out and save one another.
Look closer at Ben. Look at the way his jaw is permanently clenched. Look at the grey shadow under his eyes that no amount of sleep can fix. Financial worry is a physical assault. When you live in a state of, how will we pay for this? Your body believes it is being hunted by a predator 24 hours a day. Your adrenal glands are screaming. Your blood pressure is a ticking time bomb. Ben has a headache that started in 2022 and hasn't left since. Maria has started to experience a phantom tightness in her chest every time her phone pings with a bank notification. You think you are handling it. You think you are toughing it out, but your body is keeping the score. You are burning through your telomeres. You are sacrificing your immune system. You are literally aging at double the speed because you are too afraid to sit down and face your numbers. You are paying for your financial denial with your organs. You are financing your survival with your health. And the tragedy is that once that health is gone, no amount of money in the world can buy it back.
I want you to stop. I want you to close your eyes and do something incredibly uncomfortable. I want you to calculate the price of your worry. Not in dollars. I want you to calculate what your anxiety has cost your partner in the last year. How many smiles have you stolen from them because you were too distracted by your math? How much joy have you robbed from your children because you were physically present but mentally miles away, calculating interest rates in your head? Look in the mirror. Who is that person? That hollowed-out version of the person you used to be. I command you to have a moment of brutal personal reflection. Ask yourself, is the lifestyle I am defending worth the person I am becoming? Is the pride I am protecting worth the marriage I am destroying? If you died tomorrow, Would the balance of your bank account matter more than the quality of the peace you left behind? Identify the hidden cost. Name the things you have lost while you were worrying.
Here is the stark, terrifying truth that no one wants to admit. Money is renewable. You can always earn another dollar. You can always find another job. You can always rebuild a business. But your health is not renewable. Your partner's heart is not renewable. Your children's childhood is a one-time only event. Every day you spend paralyzed by financial worry, refusing to act, refusing to budget, refusing to change, is a day you are setting fire to things that are irreplaceable. You are trading diamonds for plastic. Imagine yourself 10 years from now. You finally have the money, you finally paid the debt, but you're sitting in a silent, empty house because your partner couldn't take the tension anymore. Your kids don't call because they remember you as a ghost who was always angry about money. Your body is broken because you ran it on the fuel of stress for a decade. Was it worth it? Unchecked financial anxiety is a slow-motion suicide. It kills your capacity for joy. It turns your life into a series of transactions and your relationships into a series of negotiations.
The bills are not the enemy. The debt is not the monster. The monster is the worry that you have allowed to rule your home. Break the cycle. Face the truth. Sit down with your partner tonight and don't talk about what we owe. Talk about who we are. Stop paying the interest rate of the soul. Fix the money so you can save the life. Because the money can be replaced, but the light in Maria's eyes, the strength in Ben's heart, and the peace in your home, once those are gone, they are gone forever. Face the cost. Break the worry. Reclaim your life now.
If this message feels like it hit home, that's no accident. It's your inner voice calling for change. And here's the truth. Staying the same won't get you anywhere new, but taking action will. That's exactly why thousands of people just like you have already broken free from living paycheck to paycheck by following a simple, proven blueprint. You don't need special skills, you don't need a second job. What you need is the right system, and it's already helping over 55,000 members build real financial freedom. So, here's your choice. Close this video and go back to business as usual, or click the link below and take your first step towards stability, freedom, and the life you know you're meant to live. The opportunity is here. The question is, are you ready to take it?